Let's see if I can set this up. It's Friday. This is a vlog, just like any other day. It is 5:53 a.m. and I have 7 minutes where I should start working out. We've got coffee brewing. We've done that. I took my trash out because it's summer and I have fruit flies. So that's not my favorite. Okay, let's get to it, shall we? So I woke up the other day and I realized I have 2 weeks till I have to go to Crankworx. So that is currently what we're getting ready for. We just switched out the fork. We're gonna go on our first ride, iron some things out. I'm gonna get around you when you get a chance. Oh, thanks. Bike's been tested. Let's pack a bike.